Hi, it's me, Sack. I have an announcement to make. These characters, props, and locations are going to do action, adventure, drama, and all kinds of things. Now, let's get the slideshow. This will gonna have cartoon baby dinosaur. He ordered it for $10 in March 11th, 2025. It's a good one. When the dinosaur egg is cracking, it's a baby purple dinosaur. In fact, this movie is called Sackboy the Alien in Prehistoric Adventure. That looks extinct, huh? Now, I have the magnifying glass. Well, I can't use it because some objects are too small. I might going to use this to make some objects look bigger. I'm gonna wear a detective coat and a hat. The movie is called Sackboy the Alien, Detective Sack in 2007. It also gonna have semi-truck. If you might going to have someone's truck to use driver's license, this looks ashamed. See the lady? She's right in front of the trucks. The doctor can help with my illness because I don't feel well. So, this short film is called Sackboy Goes to the Doctor, released in 2014. Now, this might going to use ballerina music box. Anyway, I can't order it because that cost $79. Well, I can't order the shop man, he don't make sense. There's Pooh Dog when I cannot have him. He looks ridiculous, and all of the models has a lot of money. You know why? Now, there is a new season 6 is coming soon. But don't worry, my friends will have to be on Omnom Animation. This will gonna have detective, treasure hunt, space adventure, and more. If you want to, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe on this video. Okay, that's all. See you around. Hee hee.